Good evening, children. So trigonometry 1 marks and half mark questions. The first one is evaluate cos 76 degrees minus sin 14 degrees and tan 73 degrees by cot 17 degrees. The first one, cos 76 minus sin 14 degrees. This is based on inverse trigonometric functions. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So cos 76 is converted into cos 90 minus 14. So you'll get sin 14. Sin 14 minus sin 14 is 0. So second one, tan 90 minus theta, you'll get cot theta. So tan 90 minus 17, you'll get cot 17. Cot 17 by cot 17 can get cancelled, we'll get 1. The second question is tan A is equal to 1 by root 3 and tan B is equal to root 3. Find sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B, where A and B are less than 90 degrees. That means acute angles. So given that tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 means 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees. So tan gets cancelled. A is equal to 30 degrees. Again tan B is equal to root 3. Root 3 means tan 60. Tan gets cancelled. So B is equal to 60 degrees. Now substitute the values A, B in given equation. Sin A sin 30 into cos 60 plus cos 30 into sin 30. So sin 30 means 1 by 2, cos 60 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 plus, so cos 30 means root 3 by 2, sin 60 means root 3 by 2, root 3 whole square. Square root gets cancelled, we'll get root 3 by 4. So same denominators. So we add the numerators. 1 plus 3 by 4. 4 by 4 gets cancelled. So therefore sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B is equal to 1. Now come to third question. Find the value of x. If 2 sin x is equal to 3. So given that 2 sin x is equal to root 3. 2 is multiplying here. So when you send transpose to other RHSs, it is divided. So sin x is equal to root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 means sin 60. Sin get cancelled. X is equal to 60 degrees. Next, fourth question. Find the angle B if tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3, sin A is equal to root 3 by 2. And also find cos B value. So given values are tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3 means tan 30 degrees. So tan can get cancelled. A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. Now the second value sin A is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin A is equal to root 3 by 2 means sin 60. Sin get cancelled. A is equal to 60 degrees. Now substitute the A is equal to 60 degrees in equation 1. So 60 minus B is equal to 30 degrees. 60 B 30 degrees 60 minus 30 is equal to B. We'll get B is equal to 60 degrees. Cos B is equal to cos 30 degrees. 30 degrees means root 3 by 2. And the next question is show that 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this is in the form of A minus B, A plus B a square minus b square. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. We'll convert 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. This is a minus b, this is a plus b. We'll get a square minus b square. So cos square theta gets cancelled. We'll get answer 1. And the sixth one, if sin theta if tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m, tan theta minus sin theta is equal to m, they express the value of m square minus n square in terms of m and n. So given value, tan theta plus sin theta is equal to m, tan theta minus sin theta is equal to m. Adding 1 and 2 will get 2 tan theta is equal to m plus n, equation 3. Subtracting 1 and 2 will get 2 sin theta is equal to m minus n. Now multiplying 3 and 4, so this is a minus b, this is a plus b, a square minus b square, 2 tan theta into sin theta, 2 into 2, 4. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta by cos theta. Therefore m square minus n square is equal to 4 into sin square theta by cos theta. And the seventh one, express sin 75 plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios between 0 and 45. We can write sin 75 is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. We'll get cos 15. Cos 65 degrees. So cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So cos 90 minus 25 is equal to sin 95. Therefore sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees is equal to cos 15 degrees plus sin 25 degrees, which is trigonometric ratios between 0 and 45. And the eighth one, express the cosecant theta in terms of tan theta. Identity 3, the cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. We'll write as, so we are sending minus cot square theta to RHS. We'll get cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Now writing cosecant cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So we'll write 1 plus 1 by tan square theta. So cosecant theta is equal to square root of tan square theta plus 1 by tan square theta. Now separating square root of 1 plus tan square theta by, here in denominator square and root gets cancelled. We'll get square root of 1 plus tan square theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, which is in the form of tan theta. And the ninth one, simplify secant theta into 1 minus sin a into secant a plus tan a. Now given values we can write here, secant into 1 secant a into sin a secant sin a. Now write secant a plus tan a. Now secant a means 1 by cos a, so sin a by cos a will get tan a. So secant a minus tan a, this is a minus b, this is a plus b. We'll write a square minus b square. So we'll write secant square a minus tan square a. So secant square minus tan square a is equal to 1. And then 10th one is, if sin a plus cos a is equal to root 2, then find the value of sin a plus into cos a. So given values are sin a plus cos a is equal to root 2. Now squaring of both sides. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means a square b square 2ab. Sin square a cos square a 2 sin a cos a. Here root 2 whole square, square root get cancelled, we'll get 2. So sin square plus cos square a is equal to 1. So when 1 is sending to right hand side, 2 sin a cos a is equal to 2 minus 1. 2 sin a cos a is equal to 1. So now sending 2 to right hand side. We'll get sin a into cos a is equal to 1 by 2. And the last, if sin x minus y is equal to cos x plus y is equal to 1 by 2, then find the values of x and y, where x and y less than 90 degrees. So given value sin x minus y is equal to cos x plus y is equal to 1 by 2. Sin x minus y is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means sin 30. Sin get cancelled. X minus y is equal to 30 degrees, which is equation 1. Cos x plus y is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means cos 30. Cos gets cancelled. X plus y is equal to 60 degrees, which is equation 2. Now solving 1 and 2, we'll get x is equal to 45 degrees. Substituting x value in equation 1, we'll get y is equal to 15 degrees. Therefore x is equal to 45 degrees and y is equal to 15 degrees. That's all, children. Hope you enjoy the video, and subscribe my channel Naveen's Maths and press the bell icon.